Hello and welcome again to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. We hope you are doing very well today. Today's recipe is small rolls or cigars that we are going to fill with chicken sausages. I have here half a kilo of chicken sausage. I also have 1 small spoon of harissa and 3 to 4 tablespoons of olives finely chopped or ground. I also have 50 grams of cheese. Now we move to the method. I will remove the sausage from the casing. Here is the sausage. I will finish removing all of it. Now I add the small spoon of harissa and 3 tablespoons of olives. If you have a scale, use about 40 grams, otherwise use 3 tablespoons. I also add 50 grams of cheese, any cheese you have. Now I mix these ingredients together. After mixing the filling, I shaped small rolls. I try to make about 30 pieces in this shape. I continue shaping the rest. Now they are finished and I place them on the side. Next, I prepare the pastry sheets and I have about half a kilo. I remove the hard edges. Then I cut each sheet in 2. I open the pastry sheet and check the smooth side. The smooth side stays outside and the rough side stays inside. This side goes inside the roll. I brush the sheet with a little oil mixed with butter. You can also use only oil. Using only butter makes the pastry soft and not crispy. Fold it like this. For beginners, always keep the rough side inside. The smooth side remains outside. Then brush lightly again with oil and butter. Place 1 piece of filling and roll it tightly. This keeps the filling from coming out. If you plan to fry them, brush the edge with water and flour. If you bake them, there is no need for this step. Continue the same way until all rolls are finished. Then brush them lightly with oil for extra crispiness. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees until cooked. This is the final result of our sausage cigars. They look like this, and I decorated them with cheese. I mixed the cheese with finely chopped parsley. Here is one so you can see the crispiness. They turn out very delicious. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell for more recipes.